Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out that quick mini unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Finally, here in-house to share the reviewing process with all of you. So what I want to do is get to installing a tempered glass screen protector. Got some here from Tozo that I ordered from Amazon. And I have a case from Supcase, Unicorn Beetle, drop protection, 6.7 Vault Black. So we're going to get a good look at this case and get some protection on my investment. And I'm already set up. Okay, after that little quick mini unboxing, look, if you want to see a thorough unboxing, there's a lot of YouTubers out there in YouTube land who will give you that. But you already know what's going on with what's inside that half box, because it used to be a lot bigger. Now it's half the size. But we're going to get to the important part here, and that's protecting, again, what I spent my money on. This is an investment, so it's going to get a lot of protection. And then I'm going to start the reviewing process, the actual putting in my SIM card and going out and about when I can, taking some pictures, shooting some video, and from time to time giving you an update on battery life, performance, functionality, all of that. So I'm ready to do this. This is should be a good experience, man. I got a 6.7-inch AMOLED display. Very nice. And it is 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, and battery life is important with the 3687 milliamp battery. We're going to see how that's going to do for me day in and day out, out of pocket, in hand, as I do what I need to do on what I do on any of my smartphones. Okay, so let's get to this. I'll probably snap a few pictures and put that into this video, and you can get a glimpse of what my iPhone 12 Pro Max is going to give me as far as my camera experience. But again, a lot of videos out there right now from a lot of YouTubers are giving you that too. But I'm going to give you my own perspective, and I will be doing some comparisons as well. Just look at that huge cutout surrounding the camera area. And you have a little bit of lip all the way around that cutout. But if you look right over here, got some lip right here. up to the corner, all the way across the top of the case and along the side. Just the top part of the case the lip in this area rises above this lip. Then we have the card holder area, which rises above that lip area and that lip area. So when sitting down on a flat surface, or even if the surface is a little bit rough, you're going to be just fine. There's going to be a little bit of a gap all the way around the top area and bottom area of the case on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. And as far as the 6.7-inch flat OLED display, got some lip down at the bottom there and at the top. No issues with the Supcase Vault case and the tempered glass screen protector, and that is really, really good to see. Just a little bit of a gap all the way around. Very nice. So yeah, when setting down that way, you should be fine on the flat surface. And if the surface is just a little bit rough, but please, whether it's that way or that way, use your discretion. All right, let's test out the power button. Nice and responsive. Face unlock. Bam. Just like that. Volume rocker. Nice and responsive. As far as muting the ringer, your switch right here. At the bottom, cutout for your speaker, cutout for your lightning charging port area, and you have a cutout there for your mic. And yeah, I got a lot more to set up still. So that's it. Enjoy some of the pics that I'm going to attach to this video, but a lot more coming later. We can test out wireless charging on a third-party wireless charger. Might have to move it around to find the spot. Oh, nope. There we go. Bam. Just like that. Appreciate your time and your support. If you're not subscribed to the team, please do that and hit that notification bell. That way you will be alerted when I've uploaded content for you to watch and share with everyone out there that might be interested. Super stoked to have the iPhone 12 Pro Max in-house. Thanks for watching, everybody. God bless. Peace. Stay safe and healthy.